Today we're talking about shoulder health. You might be thinking, Joe, why shoulders? Well, our shoulders do so much for us every single day. They help us lift, reach, and move freely. Imagine not being able to throw a ball with your kids or reach up to grab something off the top shelf. Strong, mobile shoulders are essential for an active, happy life. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or just want to enjoy everyday activities, taking care of your shoulders is key. Shoulder pain and injuries are common, but they don't have to hold you back. We'll learn about shoulder dislocations and, most importantly, how to recover and come back stronger. So, let's dive in and get those shoulders healthy. Now, let's talk about shoulder dislocations. A dislocation happens when the ball of your upper arm bone pops out of the socket in your shoulder blade. This can be really painful and scary, and it often happens during sports or falls. Dislocations need proper medical attention, so always see a doctor if you think you've injured your shoulder. Don't worry though, with the right care and rehabilitation, you can recover from a dislocation and regain full shoulder strength and mobility. Recovering from a shoulder dislocation takes time and effort, but I promise you, it's possible. Remember, everyone's body heals differently, so be patient and listen to your body throughout the process. The first step is to follow your doctor's instructions and let your shoulder rest and heal properly. Once you're cleared for exercise, we can start rebuilding your strength and range of motion. We'll focus on gentle, effective exercises that you can easily do at home. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with your rehab plan, and you'll be amazed by how much progress you can make. Let's learn some simple yet effective exercises using resistance bands to help you regain shoulder strength and mobility. Alright, first up, we've got band pull-aparts. Just hold a resistance band with both hands, about shoulder width apart. Keep your arms straight and raise them up to chest height. Now, slowly pull the band apart, really squeezing your shoulder blades together. Hold it there for a moment, then slowly release. Try to do between 10 and 15 repetitions for this one. Next, let's move on to internal rotation. Anchor the band to a doorknob or some sturdy object at about waist height. Stand sideways to the anchor point and grab the band with your outside hand. Keep your elbow tucked right into your side and rotate your forearm upward against the resistance. Then, just slowly return to the starting position. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. Now for external rotation, you'll use the same setup as before, but this time, hold the band with your inside hand. Again, keep your elbow tucked in and rotate your forearm upward against the resistance. After that, slowly return to where you started. Go for 10 to 15 reps on each side here as well. Finally, let's try some pendulum swings. Lean forward, resting one hand on a table or chair for support, and let your other arm hang down loosely. Gently swing your arm forward and backward, just like a pendulum. As your shoulder gets more comfortable, you can gradually increase the range of motion. Do 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. Take your time with these exercises and remember, consistency is key. Rehab can be challenging, but staying positive and committed is crucial for success. Here are some tips to keep you motivated. First, set realistic goals. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Next, listen to your body. Pay close attention to any pain or discomfort. If something hurts, stop and rest. It's really important to respect your body's limits. Another great tip is to find a workout buddy. Having a friend or family member join you can make rehab more fun and keep you accountable. And don't forget to celebrate your progress. Recognize and celebrate your achievements along the way. Every step forward is a victory. Building a healthy lifestyle is about making sustainable changes that you can maintain over time. Remember, you've got this. I believe in you. Now I want to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Most importantly, tell me in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. Until then, stay healthy, stay motivated, and keep